The first one is based on a property where we circumstance a section. Right? So section is circumstance depending upon the customer type property. And we have seen when the given, when the configured customer type was mentioned, you get the circumstance rule picked. Otherwise, you get the base rule picked. Okay. Then we have seen multiple property based circumstancing, which is also called template based circumstancing. Okay. So we have seen when it's a template based, we have got two prerequisites. One, to create a template. Two, to create a definition. Okay. So in the template, you will define what all properties are you going to handle, or on what basis are you going to decide the circumstance. You just define the properties in it. Whereas in the definition, you prepare your conditions. Just like your decision rule, decision table, you define your conditions on the definition. Okay. And for one template, I can have multiple definition. For a single template, I can have multiple definitions possible. Okay. And then once I get both of these, the template and the definition, the next step is to use them on the circumstancing. So configure your circumstance rule for the template and the definition. I think we circumstanced an SLA, right? Depending upon some properties called location and joining days. Right? So based upon the 2 days, 2 properties here, we chose a circumstancing of an SLA. And yes, we were able to do it. And then we have a circumstancing based upon date, a property for date. So you can choose a range of it. So I can give a start date, I can give an end date, and in between I can have that rule to be picked. I think we took a correspondence as an example for this. Right? So we took this as a thing and we were able to see how after the given time the new rule is picked, whereas before that the base rule is picked. And it can also be a range. You can give an exact end date also for your offers or campaign related stuff. And then we have also seen both date and property combination. So that is also possible. You can give one property and one date, then you can circumstance your rule. Right? So circumstancing is all about handling special conditions. So it's more like in this situation, what rule to be picked. Okay. Like I think that's about circumstancing.